If you have a seat buckle like this where the seat belt itself won't buckle into it, so let me show you. As you can see, I'm trying to buckle but it won't work. If I try it on the other one, the harness is okay, something is wrong with the buckle. I'll show you how to fix it. So what you need is you need to check your seat buckle design, and this should apply to most cars, not just a Tesla. Get a small Phillips head screwdriver. There are a couple of screws here, one there, one there. We're gonna unscrew it and open this up. So remove the two screws, make sure you do not lose them, and now we should be able to pry open this buckle ever so gently. You can use a flathead, or you can just use your fingers to sort of open this up, and what you do is you just go around on the all sides and do this. So the cover popped out. As I mentioned, you just use a flathead around it and it'll come out, and this is the inside. Now we're gonna check for debris and just make sure the spring works. So the way a buckle works is when we push in the seat belt into it, it goes all the way down, locks it in, and then we press this to release it. Now what actually happens is this piece right here, this is what the seat buckle pushes in like this, and then we heard the click and this locks it in, and then when we want to release it, you can just press this. There we go. For whatever reason, this buckle, it wouldn't go all the way far enough to latch onto here. It would just maybe push it like up to here, but what we need this sort of bracket to go to is all the way down, and then it locks it. But the belt I have, for whatever reason, I don't know why, it would stop here. Maybe this plastic molding is getting old, it was moving around, it was doing, so I had to come up with a temporary fix until I can get a new shell like this, and this is the temporary fix. Doesn't look beautiful, but I'll get the job done. So if I put this back like this, now my buckle should, actually let's try it, it should go all the way in. There you go. Before it was hitting this plastic area here, was stopping, but that's weird. I don't know why I would do that, because it was working for the past few months or year actually, for it to stop all of a sudden. But this is what was stopping it, so temporarily I have cut in this area so the buckle can come in like that. Until I get a new shell, I'll put it on, and hopefully that works. Hopefully this video helped you guys.